BITBOY just shilled. Cardano is unstoppable after this new milestone hit. ADA News today. Famous YouTuber Ben Armstrong, popularly known as BITBOY Crypto, has recently aired his opinion regarding the trend of Cardano ADA, the sixth largest cryptocurrency in the market. Today we're going to talk all about BITBOY Crypto Ben Armstrong, who explains why he thinks Cardano ADA would hit $8 before altcoin cycle ends. So watch this video till the end, because today's video is going to be the bomb. Welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Cardano news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of ADA is doing on the 12th of February, shall we? The latest Cardano price analysis shows a relatively bearish trend as the coin is getting mixed market sentiment today, with a balance of power towards the bearish side. The coin value has been reduced up to $1.193, however bullish efforts have merged, and the coin has recovered almost all the losses caused by the bears at the start of the trading session. As the price has been recovering for the last few hours, it can be expected that the bulls may continue to progress for the rest of the day. On the other hand, if the bearish trend resumes, chances of further drop are to be expected in the future as well. The daily Cardano price analysis predicts a decreasing trend for the coin today, as the price has slightly reduced, and the coin is trading hands at $1.193 at the time of writing. The dominant trend is not yet set for ADA USD, as after declining at the start, the price levels have been elevated again by the bulls late at night. However, the price is towards the reddish zone, as bulls yet have to recover more, for which there are ample chances, as the overall trend line is also forming slightly upwards for the past week. The daily as well as hourly Cardano price analysis is mixed market sentiment. The price covered a downward movement at the start of the trading session, but the bullish efforts are also observed, which have recovered the loss incurred, and the ADA USD price has been rescued up to the $1.193 level. A green signal is being given by the 4-hour price chart, which means that the price went higher in the past few hours as well. We expect the bulls to continue their lead for the remaining time of the day. Now let's get back to the topic. Ben Armstrong, in a recent YouTube video with Crypto Jebb, showcased his bullishness on Cardano ADA, stating that the digital currency has the potential to reach $8 before the end of the altcoin cycle. He thinks will end around Halloween, which is the 31st of October, citing the fact that the blockchain project is already accruing institutional interests. In the course of the conversation, both Ben Armstrong and Crypto Jebb shared their reasons for being bullish on Cardano ADA. According to Armstrong, other similar projects such as Polkadot and Elrond also have a place, but the major focus is on the two giants, which are Cardano ADA and Ethereum ETH. Ben Armstrong shared his viewpoints as follows. I love Cardano. I think Cardano and Ethereum are going to be around for a long time. I think Polkadot factors in somewhere, but I really personally believe more in Ethereum and Cardano. I think that Polkadot has a place, I think Elrond has a place, and Solana has a place. But I think we're looking at the two giants here, and I think they're going to remain that way. We're seeing now some institutions are looking at Cardano, and I think there's a reason for that. They understand the long-term play. Crypto Jebb also has a positive remark for Cardano. He mentioned the fact that ADA has a maximum supply, unlike Ethereum. Jebb is of the opinion that Cardano ADA has the potential to perform outstandingly in the long term. You can look at the whole cryptocurrency market as one massive index fund that all moves together. A lot of these cryptocurrencies have very high correlation, so whenever Bitcoin rallies, the altcoins are naturally going to follow. And in fact, the altcoins are outpacing Bitcoin right now. He also said that one of the reasons that I love Cardano is that unlike Ethereum, it actually has a maximum supply of 45 million coins. Ethereum does not at the moment have a maximum supply, which means that it is subject to continual inflation, unlike Bitcoin, and in this case, unlike Cardano. So while both of them do something similar, as far as an investment in the coin, I think Cardano is going to do exceptionally well in the long term, especially as it's coming out of the price discovery phase that happened in Q4 of last year. It's rallied up to $1.48, and I think based on all the fundamentals that you and I are talking about here, it's going to go much higher. I think in the next 2 years, it could go between $5 and $15. In fact, in the next couple of months, I think it's going to do more like $2 or $3. Cardano has been struggling on the charts since its decline that began last year. It has since taken the digital asset below $1, although a recent recovery trend has rectified that. Nevertheless, Cardano has yet to regain at least 50% of its all-time value. With low momentum rocking the cryptocurrency, it has been an uphill battle getting the asset back up to $1.2. Despite the price, the project itself has continued to see progress, and recently it hit a new milestone, one that could very well be the much-needed push for Cardano to once again reclaim the $1.50 mark. Cardano surpasses 30 million transactions. As the adoption of the blockchain has grown, the transaction count has gone up significantly. The total transaction count for the network has now surpassed 30 million. For Cardano, this is an important milestone in the competition between the various smart contracts platforms. This milestone comes on the back of IOG, the developer behind Cardano, announcing a new parameter update that helped to increase the block size by another 8 kilobytes, bringing the total block size to 80 kilobytes. With this update, the number of transactions incorporated by the network on a daily basis has gone up greatly. The update was announced on February 1st, and since then Cardano has incorporated over 895,000 transactions. A number of milestones have been achieved by the Cardano ADA network in recent months. Despite the progress made with the blockchain's growth, ADA remains undervalued, according to one leading crypto analyst. As shown by Santiment's market value to realized value (MVRV) indicator, which was shared by prominent crypto analyst Ali Martinez, Cardano appears to be undervalued at recent price levels. In particular, Martinez points out that the MVRV indicator demonstrates that Cardano, the biggest proof-of-stake blockchain, has not been this undervalued since the crypto meltdown that was triggered by the COVID-19 outbreak in March 2020. Martinez tweeted, "Cardano hasn't been this undervalued since the COVID crash in March 2020. The MVRV 365D measures the PL of addresses that acquired ADA in the last 365 days, suggests that ADA holders sit at an average loss of negative 26%. So right now, Cardano's at its most undervalued price in almost 2 years. Will you buy Cardano at this price level? Let us know in the comments. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Cardano Land. Bye!